Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Video 1. Topic: Best truck accident lawyer near me. The trucking industry is quickly growing in the USA because over 70% of consumer goods makes their way to their final destination by large trucks. Trucking can be a lucrative business and good sources of income for drivers, but the industry has one of the highest fatality rates in the USA. There has been a 52% increase in truck accident deaths since 2009. Overwhelmingly, truck accident death victims are passengers of other vehicles and not the driver of the truck themselves. 68% of all truck accident fatalities are passenger in other vehicles. Even more alarming, 74% of all fatal injury crashes involve a large truck. Despite what you may think, most truck accidents occur on major roads and not highways or interstates. As a passenger in a much smaller vehicles, you must take precautions and protect yourself and your passengers from large truck accidents. But even if you take all the right precautions, accident can still happen. An accident with an 18-wheeler or chemical truck is handled differently from a collision with another passenger vehicles. If you are in a car crash involving two or more passenger cars, you probably only have to deal with insurance and liabilities of those drivers. A truck accident is not as straightforward. There might be several liable parties in a lawsuit. It could include the driver, who might be an independent contractor, their employer, the trucking company, and maybe even the manufacturer of shipper of material being hauled. As mentioned about, large truck accidents are on the rise in the USA. Large trucks are still the best way to move consumer goods across the country. As demand for product increase, especially due to the pandemic, more and more trucks are on the road. If you are traveling on a roadway with large trucks, it is important to keep in mind that trucks cannot maneuver as quickly as cars and have much poorer visibility. Therefore, as a passenger vehicle driver, you are expected to use extra caution when traveling alongside large trucks. However, you can be doing everything right and still find yourself injured after an accident with a large truck. In 2007, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration (FMCSA) conducted a large-scale study of truck accidents and the reasons behind them. If a lawyer has been success and responsive to the other slides, it means that in the addition to being good at their job, they also probably have the respect of other lawyers in the community. If your case is in a small city or town, lawyer and judges now one another's reputations. you want to work with an attorney who already has the respect of community. If you don't have referrals, you can ask a prospective lawyer for a list of client reference. You can also search online for reviews, news articles, and other information that would indicate whether people have had generally positive experience with the firm. Choosing a lawyer can be similar to choosing a doctor or therapist. If your case involves serious injury, as truck accident claims often do, there might be some awkward moments when you need to share deeply personal issues with your lawyer. Your lawyer will need to know exactly how your injuries affected your lifestyle. For instance, maybe you are experienced sexual dysfunction as a result of accident, or perhaps you're suffering from depression or other mental health concerns. Don't hold back from sharing every detail with your lawyer. The more effect the accident has on your life, the more you might be able to recover in damage. Don't leave out important parts of your story just because you are embarrassed to share. Your lawyer can only help you to extend the your let them, and the means being open and honest about how you're affected by the accident. Local expertise matters. When searching for the best truck accident lawyer, prioritize those with local expertise. Lawyers familiar with the law and regulation specific to your state can navigate the legal landscape more effectively. A lawyer intimately acquainted with the local courts, judge, and procedural nuances is better positioned to build a compelling case tailored to your jurisdiction.